Well, the first thing I had to do when it was suggested that Dave was available was to meet Dave. She said that we could do it by phone or, but to me, I kind of feel my way into a room. And that's because of my childhood and situation. I learned to feel my way in to see if it was safe to enter. And so I automatically will go to a place of wanting to meet someone and feel their energy and see if this works for me. And when I met him, I felt very comfortable and confident that he would be a great person to work with, and we started the session, and he clarifies it by saying, this isn't necessarily the cotton candy ride. This is, I'm going to tell you what I pick up and, tell you what I'm picking up, and not necessarily is this going to be something you may or may not want to hear, but I'm just going to speak, with your permission and tell you, what I am receiving. And he made it feel very comfortable. He asked permission to enter your space so that he's seeing it through your eyes and from your higher self, as I understand it. And, he was me talking to me, basically. And so there was really no threat. And I was looking for answers and clarification, and I had wondered and had been told, actually, as a child, my mother really did not like me. She resented and hated me and told me so frequently, and I didn't understand as a young kid why, and I knew she had an addiction to alcohol, but as a young child, that hadn't started yet. And so I, from when I was very small, I just didn't understand why the rejection. I had 3 brothers who she seemed to love and adore, and so I didn't really get it. And then when she did start drinking, she pointed out that that my father had abused me, and that but I really had no recollection of my younger childhood. So until my father died, actually, just recently, I really didn't have any reference point to connect that with. I was like, well, was she just drunk and saying mean things, just another one of the many mean things she said, or did this really ever happen? And so when I started to do the mirror work, I realized I started to get pictures of my dad as a younger man, and then his hands and his arm and what he was wearing, and so it just didn't make any sense to me. And so I specifically asked Dave when we started the session, what did that mean? And he felt into it and explained that yes, in fact, that had happened. It's been a process. It's an ongoing process, and there's days when it's easier and some days it's harder. But to get the information and to work and truly merge from within and purge from within. I guess after the session with Dave, I had a session with Dee, and that was the remarkable thing, was that she had never seen anything like that. She said, the way that the purge that took place of my body after that was so amazing. It was even shocking to me to see what I was holding on to all these years.